In this tutorial, we're going to set some in and out markers. Now, what we'd like to do is create a selection like this. Here, we're able to set an in marker and an out marker. This we can do in different ways. If I press escape, the selection will go away. Now I'm just going to make the track slightly taller by dragging over here, so we get a better view of what we're doing. When our cursor is an I-beam like this, we can hold down the mouse and drag a selection, and we get our in and out markers. We can now move our in and out markers by simply dragging them here in the timeline. If I press escape, the selection will go away. There's another way of setting in and out markers is by using I for in and O for out.